Hey everyone, it's Chris. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing the lat pull down and a barbell row. Usually I do 3 sets of about 8 to 10 reps. I'm not going to show you all 3 sets. So I'm just going to do 1 set for you each. That's lat pull down. I do 2 different types of lat pull down. So I do the straight one, and then I move my arms in and pull it down. It definitely works the lats, the different parts of it. And then I go on to barbell row and do the same. So yeah, here we go. Let's get on with it. This is the first one of lat pull downs. So what I do is the normal lat pull downs. So yeah, I'll just show you. So you only keep your back nice and straight during the whole time. Bring it to your chest and back. So as you see, I kept my back nice and straight. Controlled it coming down and back up again. So the second version of lat pull down that I do is basically I just put my arms in close together and then pull it down nice and tight. Give the squeeze me back a nice squeeze, and yeah. Here's the second thing I do for back. So I basically do 3 sets, about 8 reps with each one of them. And now I'm going to show you a little demonstration of the barbell row. And yeah, let's get on with it. Also in these barbell rows, I do light ones to start with, as obviously I'm warming up, and then get on to heavy ones. So you keep your back nice and straight and row in. So yeah, that's 3 exercises I like to do for my back. Lat pull downs makes you feel tight, makes you feel good, and barbell rows, obviously you put a lot more in it. Yeah, that's the video today. Come back to me in the next video. I'll be doing a non-workout. And yeah, hope everyone's doing good. Subscribe in the comments down section below. And yeah, till next time, bye.